visitor. This is Jolene, good friend of mine.
Okay.
And she was my videographer, Emily's third grade teacher. Had a great start. Well, she had her all 3 years before that. And she has a great recipe, honey lime chicken enchiladas. So that's what we're gonna do for Mexicans Independence, which is coming up. Sunday we celebrate it the 16th, or you could do it the 27th. Either of those days works. Kind of an interesting history. So Jolene, how did you come about this recipe?
So I actually found this recipe on Six Sisters online, and we always made chicken enchiladas before, but then when we found this, we decided this was our go-to recipe. Everyone in my family loves it.
Awesome. So we have the ingredients out here. Of course, we use Cox's honey and limes. It took me about 3 limes to juice. You could use just regular juice. Honey was 6 tablespoons. And then chili powder was 1 tablespoon, half a teaspoon of garlic salt. And then we'll make the sauce. That's the sauce that you marinated, right?
Yes.
We're gonna mix that. We're gonna put it in a Ziploc with our chicken that's shredded. And then what do you do over here with this?
So this is a sauce afterwards. You first want to cook your chicken in your either your Instapot or in your crock pot, and then you're going to shred it. And then after you put the enchilada together, this is the sauce that goes on top, and it's a white sauce. And it has whipping cream, which is 2 cups of whipping cream, and then 16 ounces of green enchilada sauce.
You know, I found this at the 99-cent store. Awesome.
Yeah.
And something about shredding the chicken, if you're in a hurry, I've discovered, I love my Instant Pot. Maybe my videographer can show us over here. So I put the chicken in there for only 10 minutes, and then I had to release it 5 minutes. Then I discovered thanks Josh for the tip, that my mixer can shred it up in like 2 minutes. It was shredded, it was awesome. So no more forks here. And then of course we have flour tortillas, but you can use whatever's at home. And we have Monterey Jack cheese that we will sprinkle. So we're gonna mix it, marinate a little bit, and then we'll be back to show you how to roll it. So we poured this into our Ziploc, and now we're going to just pour the honey right in there. Tell me if I'm doing anything.
Everything's good. We're gonna grab the lime juice and pour that in. And then the
Chili
powder, 1 tablespoon. It seems like a lot, but actually it's just perfect. And then the garlic salt, which is half a teaspoon, right?
Yes, half a teaspoon.
Okay, and then this is kind of, sometimes I'll mix it up in a bowl so it's already mixed, but this works as well. But the fun part is you just kind of roll it in there. And you should actually, it works best if you let it marinate. Like you can do it overnight. The flavors blend really nicely, but usually I'll try to at least do it for a couple hours in the refrigerator before I roll it into the enchiladas.
All right, we'll be back because we're gonna marinate it. We're gonna make some hot white sauce and we'll be right back to show you the next step. Okay, so we got the chicken marinated, now she's got the white sauce.
The white sauce is mixed. So what I do then is I take the, about a cup, maybe a little more, and I put it on the bottom of the pan, and I just kind of roll it so it covers most of the bottom.
And we didn't have to spray it, right?
No, because you have
The sauce.
the sauce on the bottom. And then you're going to just take a tortilla, just one, and we'll take some of our chicken. Our hands are clean, we've washed them more than once. And so you'll just put some chicken in the middle. And then usually I just use just Monterey Jack, but this one is a mix of Colby and Monterey Jack. It's just your preference.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yay, lots of cheese.
A lot of cheese.
Kids will like that.
You don't have to put that much cheese. So you roll one, and it usually will stay just fine because of it'll stick to the,
Right. And we're just using the tortillas we have. You could use almost any type of
yeah,
tortilla.
so sometimes I'll use bigger ones, but these are fine too.
So we're gonna fill the pan up, and then we'll pour the rest of the sauce on it and more cheese, right?
Right.
All right, and we'll bake it at 350 for 30 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, so we've rolled all these. Zoom in
And actually, we probably could have put it in a bigger pan, but we decided just to put it all in here, and so we kind of layered it a little bit.
It's just a 9 by 13, so you could use just a bit bigger. So we're gonna pour the sauce over the top and more cheese. And we'll put it in the oven at 350, which is already heated. So in 30 minutes, we'll be back. Here we go. And there they are, ready to feed the family, yummy enchiladas. And Jolene says that she feeds your whole family of how many?
Oh, usually I save this for our entire family for celebrations, and it'll be like about 10 of us. And they love it. I just add a salad, and then we have our bean salsa, and then it's a meal. We love it.
Awesome. Well, all the bean salsa, we should do that next time. Well, have a sweet day and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Comment below, ask for anything you need, share it. Go on my Facebook page and my group and Instagram and Pinterest. I put the recipe for you too. So we'll see you later. Have a sweet day. Bye. Okay, grandchildren. Did you find the bee? Really close. Here comes a big one. There we go. I've had that bee since I was a little girl, and I use it in my classroom with my sub. Gina will see the attention. A little bear out from. Oh boy, they had a crush on me. Anyway, happy independence.